Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think of that, at one point the price was literally all the way down there, and then by the closing bell, the price had closed up at that point. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very, very solid move. But that does lead to the valid question here of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that line here, or level I should say more accurately, is going to be at the $1.20 mark. Why is $1.20 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.20. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart where it was when it was essentially flirting with the lows from, the early part of today. Again, going back, just not a good sign. Let's say the price pulls back, but in this situation, does something like this before starting to work its way back upwards. So sure, it pulls back, but what would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows right there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote progress, I am defining as $1.20. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that pink line right now, which is the very famous in the world of charts, 200 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that going forward. That'll be public enemy number one. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.